Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Nicole here from my Pandora Charmed Life. In today's video, I'm going to give you a close-up look at the February releases for Ohm, along with the Ohmistry project, and I have some designs here, and then we're also going to do a little bit of a design with me. But first, let's look at the Valentine's themed beads that came out. This glass bead is called Kiss, and you can see there's tiny little red kisses all around this glass bead. What's really awesome and unique about this bead is the core. So you have like primarily a deep red core in there, but then you have black with, it's almost like white-ish, like shimmer in there, and it almost looks bubbly, it looks shimmery. It's really pretty and helps like make the little kisses of this bead pop. I always love to look at the side of an Ohm glass bead. I think it's crazy how like it looks like it's so full of like color, and then why does that happen every single time? And then when you actually like take a look at the side of the bead, like it's just all of that work is on the core. It's amazing, with the exception of the red kiss. I mean, that's on the top of the glass. So pretty. I just absolutely love this bead, and I don't have like a ton of red, so this is like the perfect way to like introduce red into my collection. And did I mention that it came in this adorable pink box? You guys, pink is like my thing. I love pink, so I love that Ohm put like their Valentine's related beads in here. The next one for Valentine's Day is this Love Snap bead. And I, thought it was just like, oh, well, they're snapping his fingers, and it's like a little love snap. But then I didn't know that this symbol made like a little heart like right there. So I absolutely love how adorable this bead is. I like the tiny little heart on there, and then the detail on this bead is crazy. It's crazy. So we'll do a little bit of a design where we put this together with Love Snap here at the end. But first I want to show you some of the creations that I've already made with some of these beads. So everyone was really excited for Little Red Riding Hood, myself included. She is there with her little basket and her little hands on the basket. Look at that detail, you guys, it's crazy. And you think that the like big bad wolf is attacking her, but is he attacking her? I don't know. Maybe you've seen somebody else's review and maybe they tell you the story, or maybe you just want to go to Ohm Beads and read the description to really understand what is happening with this big bad wolf. This is just a gorgeously detailed bead. I absolutely love it. The basket, I just like, I've looked at this a million times, and every time I look at it, I just love the basket. So I did put it with my blackberry glass beads, and then because Little Red Riding Hood is often in the woods, I put Heart of the Woods on this design, which was a bead of the month last year, and then I did Gnome Home on there as well, because it gives that woodsy feel. And then I have the locks for their woodish or wood. I don't know if woodish or wood. I'll write it on the bottom. And then I have it on a plain Ohm bangle. And there you have it, Little Red Riding Hood with these other beads. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I was so excited about Sweetness. I absolutely love this little design. It was a collaboration with Ohm Beads and Svetlana from Sweet Mini Dollhouse. She is on YouTube and Instagram and makes the most adorable tiny little clay things, figures, whatever you want it to be. It's awesome what she does. And she worked with them to create Sweetness, which is, that's the back of her. Let's look at the front, which is this adorable little cactus ice cream cone. Oh my gosh, you guys. And then you see that little bow. That little bow on her little cactus, not a leaf, You guys, I live in the desert. I should know what like the parts of a cactus are, but I don't. And I just love her, and she's happy, and I love cactuses. Presley and I go on little walks all the time, and again, because I live in the desert, we see cactuses all the time, and it's just so cute. And then Presley loves ice cream and an ice cream cone, so this is just adorable, and Presley wants one too, and I need to make sure that I go order hers before they sell out, because they only made 111 of these ones, and they went live as of the 31st. So as I'm talking about it, I'm stressing myself out, and I'm gonna order it as soon as this is over. By the way, you guys, OHM this year started a referral program, and you don't have to be an ambassador to be part of that referral program. You just have to have an account, and in that account, you're given a referral link. And when you send your referral link to one of your friends, they get 11% off their first purchase if they've never purchased from OHM before. So I'm going to include my referral link in the description, but please, if you have friends who you know are OHMies or love to buy OHM, ask them for the referral code, and they'll get you 11% off, and then they get to earn a few OHM bucks. And yeah, OHM loyalty program that they put together this year is awesome. So the rest of this design, I have another Bead of the Month design on here. So these coffee to go and this coffee mug came together, and I'm a huge coffee addict, and I love coffee with ice cream. Is that weird? And then I have the two Slim collection, or two beads from the Slim collection that they released in the fall, and I have my water locks on a snake chain bracelet. So this is how I designed with Sweetness. She's so sweet. I love it. There's this design. Okay, now let's get playing with this design. I want to make it a small design on the red leather whip. So let me grab that. All right, so here is my OHM Lucky Red leather whip. And this is going to be just a real simple mini design that I do with Love Snap. So here's my favorite things about OHM's leather bracelets are like, it's a perfect thickness for the bead. Like you don't really get like a lot of movement with the beads. Like, you know how a lot of times your beads are charms, they turn and all that stuff. These ones actually stay put. So I like to bring mine over to the end. There we go. Now we're gonna put on the glass bead next. Oh my gosh, Presley's so cute. She has hiccups in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear her. Let's slide this one through. That looks really good. The red, I wasn't sure if it's gonna be like too much red. So this is the first time I've done it. We're doing this together. It's a true design with me, kind of, because I have pre-selected the beads. I love that contrast. It looks great. Looks great. Love it. And then this bead right here is one of the first beads I ever got from OHM, and it's called Love Shoot. There's Love Hurts and then there's Love Wounds, and they're different. So I'll put the name of what that actually is here on the bottom, but I loved this one too. Look at the hearts in the eyes. And this could be worn as a pendant too. All right, let's get this over here. Okay. So there we have it. This is like a little OHM Valentine design that I put together. Just fell. It's okay, we'll stay there. Sorry. I knocked my camera, you guys. Okay. Oh, this is so awesome. So why I like to push them all the way through, by the way, is whenever I do a little design, I like to be able to keep that here. So like this is always like the base of my design, and then I do all like the wrapping around. There you have it. These are all available on ohmbeads.com as of now. Is their February release, a small but mighty little release. Which one is your favorite? So many people were into Little Red Riding Hood. I mean, I get it. I was too. Sweetness, I don't know, you guys. I don't know. It's always so hard for me to pick because love these and love these. And you know what? I didn't know, like this probably I wouldn't have like been drawn to immediately, but once I understood the sentiment and that was the heart and then the detail on there, I am like obsessed with it. So, and then I just love all their glass beads. I don't know if they can ever make one that I don't like. So there you have it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. You guys, we just hit 10,000, so I need to do like my final giveaway in an upcoming video. Thank you guys so much for your support, and let me know what you think of Ohm's release for February. And again, check out that link for 11% off if you've never ordered for them before. It will be in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all next time.